Except that I was taking a nap in the dryer when this lady opened it for her laundry. You should have heard the scream when she saw me. Gee, baby, you and I could make beautiful music together. Let me take you away from all this madness. Come on, why fight it? Slip me a kiss. Oh, boy, she's weakening. Last time she hit me with her fist. Headed him off at the tunnel. Yeah, you can't do that. You said free lemonade. Baby doll, what could ever make me leave you? Top Cat, that's what. Good idea, TC. But where you gonna get an ocean?